Thanks. The other stock, Dipan, that we want to talk about is Colgate. It's down 4.5%. Yesterday, the management met with the analysts. They've laid out their strategy for the coming year. The focus is on growth. Mangalam is here to tell us more about the brokerage commentary. Mangalam?
Well, for Colgate, it's a clear case of damned if you do and damned if you don't, because until the strategy was laid out, the brokerages were holding on to their views, hoping for the strategy to be laid out. And now that the strategy has been laid out, which to the management's credit is not too different from what they were talking about earlier, is the execution that is important. But now the brokerages are saying that, it lacks freshness. Just to lay out the 4 points that the new MD CEO had spelled out in terms of roadmap for growth. The first one is lead toothpaste category growth by volume. Secondly, aim for premiumization through innovation as well as the scientific research that the company does. The third one, lead category growth in the toothpaste, not only the toothpaste business, but the toothbrush and devices business as well. And finally, build personal care, the Palmolive brand that they have, hand wash, face wash as well, do it via both organic as well as inorganic routes. So this was the roadmap that the company had laid out. But Citi says that, focus on both volume growth as well as premiumization together is a tall ask. It could require sustained investments with results likely to being delayed. And they will watch out for any investment that the company is doing to drive changes in consumer habits. Remember, 55% of rural consumers don't even brush once a day. Nomura too has a neutral call with a target price of 1600. So, well, the management strategy has been laid out. It's the execution that the brokerages are eyeing.
Mangalam, why don't they run ads? Brush your teeth before going to sleep. I know it's...
One-fourth of India doesn't brush its teeth in the night?
And who did the survey? So I want to know.
Yeah, go ahead, Mangalam.
So 55% of rural consumers don't brush their teeth even once a day.
Okay.
And it's only 20% of urban consumers who brush their teeth twice a day. So 80% of urban consumers also don't brush their teeth twice a day. And importantly, the average usage of toothpaste in India, if it's 1 time, the one in Philippines is 1.8 times. And for that in Brazil is 3.1 times.
Okay.
So
I'm looking for some personal help. Some